Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to make a public profile on Snapchat in 2025. This is going to unlock a subscribe button and lets you add a bio, highlights and showcase your snaps to more people. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Snapchat application, and here you need to make sure that you are signed in on your phone. Now, a few things are usually required for you to check the eligibility. So first of all, your account should be at least 24 hours old and it should follow the community guidelines made by Snapchat. It should have at least one friend, and in some regions you also require to be 18 plus. Now, once you meet all of these criteria, you can tap on the option of Bitmoji here in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now, the second option would be of public profile. So you can tap on this option, then tap on the option of OK. Now, over here, if you don't see the option of create public profile, or if you see that option, simply tap on that, read the information and press continue in order to get started. Now Snapchat will add a default public profile for you and it should look something like this. Now over here you can add the snaps. It will come here in the form of stories, spotlights, insights and promotions. You can also tap on this pencil icon in order to add the profile picture and the background for your public profile. So this way you will be able to basically make your public profile on Snapchat. If you tap on this option of my account, you will access both of these because both of the tabs will come over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.